Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Tesla's scheduled departure with Apple Shortcuts step by step clearly. Open the Apple Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap on the Gallery tab at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar, type Tesla to find relevant shortcuts. Look for the Scheduled Departure shortcut. Tap on it to view more details. Select Add Shortcut to include it in your library. Go back to the My Shortcuts tab. Tap on the three dots in the corner of the new Scheduled Departure shortcut. This opens the shortcut editor. Now, tap on Add Action. In the search bar, type Set Tesla State. Select Set Tesla State from the actions list. Choose the action you want, such as precondition, heating, or climate control. Adjust any settings per your preferences. Once done, tap Next to proceed. Rename your shortcut for easy identification. After renaming, tap Done to save your changes. Now, go back to the main screen of the Shortcuts app. Tap on the Automation tab at the bottom. Select Create Personal Automation. Scroll down and choose Time of Day. Set the specific time you want for the scheduled departure. Select daily or your preferred frequency. Tap Next to proceed. Now, tap Add Action again. Search for your previously created scheduled departure short. Select it to add it to this automation. Review your automation settings to ensure everything looks correct. Once satisfied, tap Next again. Disable Ask before running for a seamless experience. Confirm by selecting Don't Ask. Finally, tap Done to save your automation. Your Tesla scheduled departure is now ready for use with Apple Shortcuts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.